In respect of the retention of the control of the financial asset, if an entity neither transfer nor retain substantially all the risk and reward related to the financial assets that it owns, in that case we need to determine whether it retain control of the financial asset or not. If it is determined that it does not retain the control of the financial asset, in that case we will de-recognize the financial asset. And if we determine that entity retain the control of the financial asset, in that case we will continue to recognize the financial assets in the books of accounts. For the purpose of evaluating the control, it does not have the same meaning as is attributed under Ind AS 110. So to check the financial assets control, we need to check whether the entity has practical ability to sell the assets to an unrelated party. So if the asset can be sold to an unrelated party, it means it has lose the control over the asset. Another condition is that it entity has ability to sell the financial asset and it can exercise the judgment unilateral and without imposing any additional restriction on the transfer. So if all these conditions are satisfied, in that case there is no control of the asset and asset will be recognized. And if it is not have the practical ability to sell the assets to unrelated party, or the decision cannot be exercised unilaterally, or it has some conditions on the transfer, in that case it is considered that it has not transferred the asset, it has retained the control of the asset. In that case we will continue to recognize the financial assets in books of accounts.